Naso. Back, clear road. Oh, we take a manager. Oh, well, now. Oh, where am I? Igbo mụlụ nze mụọ ọzọ asị m nke onye chi ya zelu ebe nnọta bụ na be CHIOMA fa ịghọtago ndị bi ebe a ndị bi ebe a ebe ka m na-come kwan in come out now no sim come in come good out brother o CHIOMA na-alala ụla kpọte ya nwanne m o
Get up. CHIOMA. CHIOMA.
Oke ọ lụrụ nnukwu ọlụ.
CHIOMA. Get up. See where they fire you. Get up here, not go. Open eye. See person where they fire you.
CHIOMA. Kewe.
Go have an go with them.
Dike. Can you see ya? Get it?
Manager.
Manager, can you me? Oh, you got sauce, maka anwụnta. Manager, kedu? Guys, one near wine, na. Ogoli. Okay. Oh, one girl look for that them here. The girl I know could ya. CHIOMA. Kedu? It's a time. Okay. Good morning. Only one guy, only one girl. Okay. Yeah, only the girl. Manager, Kewe. Get away. Star boy, Ikaraka. Iwe ume. I'm dying wine. Okay. That girl for that day. I ain't capable one year wine. Oh, never. Then after time, I seen 1 year wine up go on a more so up. Maniki, we are a couple of them. There are always many things at them may post. For the Sino cannot Italian wine. For the Sino, go tell you for Knizer. For the Sino car, Emepelia shop. For the new Quokwe, Carlo Tally up go do a room self con. Con or the go do a bar. The water go. They are not blue go do no shop.
Not go work. Okay, I work because if you need people, house and public big compound, they go and allow na such a purchase.
Mba. Shop one shop why I have 1 year wine.
She cannot handle it.
You cannot.
She cannot handle it.
1 year wine.
Oh, the 1 year wine.
1 year wine. Don't mind it. I did it.
1 year wine they take it.
Their mother owns this place. Before their mother died, because I gathered some information yesterday and then before yesterday about them. The elders, the sister, they are 5 in number. 3 are somewhere, 2 are married, while she is a single mom. The elders.
Okay.
Their mom was selling here before, and when they lost their mom, she was not able to have it. She was not able to have it. So with what I gathered yesterday, I was told that she cannot have it. Somehow, she believes on all these things she's doing. Okay. But if it's a place that she will be working, paying monthly, it's more better. Giving her money to do business, she will not handle it properly. That was what the woman told. The woman knows them more than I do. And she has been with them here for over 16 years now. So I cannot say me that just came here over 2 years now can tell a story about them compared to someone that has known them for 16 years now.
Okay.
Except she will speak for herself, that she will not run the business down. You need to hear from her. If she says she can handle it, that you will not come one day and check on her to see that the business is down. If more okay that you hear from her.
Yes.
Yes, this place is a renting place. They are paying for this place. It's a renting apartment.
You mean?
Yes.
And now rented.
Now, Mama,
No.
I told you I just gathered some information. I don't really know much about them, but they are my neighbors. So when I find out, the lady told me that this place is a renting apartment, which she said it by herself yesterday that it's a renting apartment. Like the money your friend brought yesterday, she was telling me that she really was settle the woman that owns this place.
I'm not supposed to that.
So automatically she didn't have to stay. Just telling you
So,
the fact.
obego na okwu ihe unu kwuru. Ihe anyị achọ bụ ka ama ya fụ half plot of land ma ọ bụ 1 plot of land. Ọ bụgodo room self-called. Alụtala ya mana ọ dịpendizi ego na-enweta generate na isi anyị wọtago. So ihe ji webe gbakwa n'otu akụ na mgbe some of Zeus family ajụbago m ọra ka ihe ya emeli ya na-ekwukwa n'okwu shop mana ịnụgo from onye nka ịghọtago ọ ya aka malụ nwanne ya nwaanyị afọ. So ọ bụrụ n'uche m nọ ịlụtali ya obele ụlọ ọgodo room self-called ọ ya ebili onwe ya denu achọzia ihe ya egote ya eji sọpọtụ ya.
Yes.
So o nwezikwa ihe ịchọ iji sọpọtụ ya ma ihe ịchọ iji kwado ya ịkwadozie ya. Mana mụnwa na-ekwu nwanne ya nwaanyị ahụ gbabalụ mbọ na-ele kan ọ na-asọpọtụ ya n'ihe kan ahụ maka onye na-agba mbọ amalụgo anya ego ịghọtago asọpọtụ a na biznes ahụ nwanne ya nwaanyị ahụ ya ego mba.
This particular business. Like this particular business, support her in this one. Yes, she will do well.
I support her
but
in
not
this
provision.
business.
But not provision. No. Support her in this one is more better than provision.
Emepele anyị na large quantity.
Yes.
Onwe ihe dị n'ihe onwe kwanu. Well, ọgụ ya
She understands this business.
You can come.
Mba onwe ka ije m si adị.
But just in a negative. This guy. Somebody get one. 15 years. The mother. The mother was there. I think he's back now. Following now, one.
Very hard work.
Well, you need the moon. Then can have the power. That's all. That's for you. Young person, man.
Simple.
We need the moon.
Mana ka eko okwu adị.
And after moon,
Ọ ya nụ nwaanyị afọ ego gịnị?
Oga, we need now moon first. Impose the moon. You never see anya. Plus that one. I don't know.
You need Igbo. Oh, you make sense.
Marriage first.
Mba.
Secondly,
You need Igbo. Na nwunye ama nọ n'ebe a. You need Igbo. Alụtali ya ụlọ. Anọtaziali ya nwaanyị. Enwezi ike I empower the woman. Oh ya mba ọbụla ya nwa. I empower the woman. Ịghọtago gị nwa na onwe yi onye ike na alụmetọ jagidi. Manager. Ne ya nwere manager o. Ne ya ndị nka o. Jide ya. Ịghọtago. Emena ka ịra. Ọkwa afọ m aka cheki godo aka m so ka m nọdụ na manager akwatina m. Hey, manager. I only get better. Well, you know, so you got that problem. Well, ọbụla ego m dị ya ego ndị mmadụ na-eweta ịghọtago manager ọbụla ego m ndị mmadụ na-eweta ya. Manager mma anachite azụ inugo unu afụgo ka o yesi dị alụtali ya ụlọ ọgodo uwe room self-called achọ ebe anyị egopụta anyị alụtali ya ụlọ denu nụtali ya nwaanyị werezie ihe fọzienu nyezie nwunye ya ime a na ya try igoli ya no pass like that. So enwegokwa ndị jụba ama ọra onwegokwa ndị sendibele ife ka enyi ya so enwe efi akwụsị ya onwere eme ihe nwa nwunye ya anụtali ya ihe ọya awụ onwere eme ihe ọya awụ mana ama m na ọya awọlele ife ndị ọya awọtakwa ihe dị mma ihe afịa n'anya anyị na-abụ wee malụ na Chukwudị. ọkwa afịa bụ Chukwuma
Chukwuma.
sọ Chukwuma